Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Waleed. I live in Canada. I'm from the Middle East originally, and obviously I excel at Middle Eastern food, but I've become quite good at Canadian food as well. I remember that my grandmother taught me a few dishes when I was about 5 years old. It was great to have my grandmother, and later on in life, my stepmother was a brilliant cook, and she allowed me to observe, and I was able to learn a lot from her. And yes, she was a great woman. So why am I doing this? So over the years, I've learned a lot from YouTube. I've learned so many things about woodworking, which was my father's favorite hobby.
I'm gonna mess this up so badly.
So all my interests, I was able to develop my skills, and I've learned a lot from a lot of creators who are going through uh, life and teaching others, and that's what I like to do. So I'd like to pay tribute to some of those creators and thank YouTube also. Um, I need to pay forward. I have to pay it all forward, and I'm going to start doing that with my videos.